everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have a Sephora Play, but not just any play. It is a Sephora Play Smart Edition, and this is the K-Beauty Edition, which was just recently launched. Like, I don't know if you know, but last week through the 13th, if you knew somebody who could get you a code that worked at Sephora, it was their friends and family deal, and my friend Amy hooked me up. So this actually came with my Sephora order, but I was like, we'll do this one separate, because I'm not subscribed to Play anymore, because all of a sudden towards the end of the year Sephora got sets I actually wanted to buy and shop and everything else, and they had sale days and like actually spent a lot of money. I'm like, I didn't even need Sephora Play all through the year, but anyway, so I've since canceled. But, and if you don't know, Trend Mood posted, apparently if you're Rouge, so VIB's coming, I don't know if it's going to be the second weekend or the weekend afterwards, but next weekend and then the weekend after that are Rouge weekends to get 20% off. So it's either going to be the second weekend, which sucks because it's the first weekend of the month, which I always have rent the first weekend of the month, so I don't know if I'll have any money, but maybe they'll like have it didn't say VIB yet. She doesn't know the VIB details yet. So maybe the VIB will be the following weekend. That would be so awesome. But it's probably going to be that weekend that I don't have any money, so Lord knows. But just FYI, so you might want to start saving your coin, because I have some also 20% off coupons I want to use, because Beauty Bakery is coming there on the 21st online. And I really want to try their powder and maybe their concealer, maybe a lippy, something like that. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But, so, yeah, so I might like spend any extra money I already have. But, I'm like, dang gum, Sephora, have you another sale? It makes 3 if they extend it to VIBs, not just, So, I'm excited what's in here. It's K-Beauty. I mean, they gave you details of what brands you would get. I don't know about size. I mean, it's all sample sizes. This was $20, though. And it does have like a watch day, which is a crash course on how to use all these if you don't know, which is October 22nd at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern. KB Skin Innovation. I don't need that. But it does come with these. This is what makes it different. And they are really decorated, and it's the cards that have everything in there. And you get 50 points. Oh, okay. I'm glad I bought this, because now I got 50 points I can redeem online. But the thing is, every time you redeem a code online, you can't use another one. Like if you wanted like a free deluxe sample, or if you spend so much, you can get this little thing or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I don't know what's up with the bag, but when you open it up, I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. Unless like it's supposed to be like slung through and you carry it by one hand. I kind of have seen purses kind of like that. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be. Whatever. It's not stitched the greatest, but I'll probably just give it to my niece anyway. So here's the bag first. This is the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And this is the card for it. So it actually has a detailed card. In the morning before makeup and evening before bed, apply a dime size amount onto clean, dry skin. These will last forever. Believe product feature high quality ingredients and possess methods identified by herbalist Duncan Napier in Scotland way back in the 1800s. KBD is where ancient remedies meet modern science. This is a nourishing face cream that provides intense hydration and smooth skin with its unique hydration. High-tech hydrator is formulated to soothe, protect, smooth skin, and yeah. Okay, I have not tried this actually, so I'm actually excited to get this. I have, because I have it right behind me, because I still haven't like moved it from this room since I unpacked it. I've got the True Belief Aqua Balm in this set. This set's $38, so this is a really good deal, because this Aqua Balm is $38 by itself, but you also get a sample of the eye cream and the Hungarian water essence in this set, and I think it's still available. The Aqua Balm, or that one's like a blue gel instead of a cream. Like I've heard that one's like good for oily or combination skin. My nose is oily. I mean, I don't usually require like a lot of hydration, just a little bit. But this one might be better for in the winter, because I think that this one is like really good for dry skin. And normally I have like dry patches that would come out when it's like windy and stuff, And right now my skin's like sometimes giving me little dry fits with all this washing my face with the 31 days of Halloween. So it kind of smells a little herbally, but yeah, not bad. My skin likes Belief as a whole. So next thing I got is, okay, y'all know I don't like this brand I don't know, my skin doesn't like this brand, but my lips might be okay with it. My lips are less picky, I should say. My skin just doesn't love it. Laneige, I've tried like the little kits and everything else. So here's the Laneige card, and this is the lip sleeping mask, which some people swear by, or a lot of people swear by on here. I have not tried this. I've tried their overnight mask, their serum, their moisturizer, and my skin didn't love it. Didn't exactly completely hate it, but yeah. This is very smooth. Treat your lips to an overnight mask packed with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid to defend against signs of aging while you get your beauty sleep. When last step before you go to sleep or anytime your lips need a boost, use your finger to apply a bead-sized amount. After 20 years of research, Laneige realized that water holds the secret to supple skin, so they developed the optimum water for each skin concern with berry extract water for lips. An intense overnight lip mask that hydrates and soothes sensitive skin with berry nutrients and hyaluronic acid. So I will try this because I've been using that Dr. Pawpaw ointment because I was just using Aquaphor ointment before going to bed. Just like the smallest amount is what you need, and that's why like my lips because I used to always put chapstick on before I went to bed. Now I just use that, and my lips never chap. So it's just a little bitty because like it's deceiving. It's like a little bitty sample of it. It does smell good. Like kind of like watermelon. Like a little bit. It's not even full to the top. Okay, next thing I got, which I do have in that box too. And I'm not giving it up. I like this stuff. I actually do because I went through a little sample because I got it in my Play. Sephora Play before. This is the Belief. Moisturizing Eye Balm, a lightweight firming eye cream that diminishes the look of fine lines while it delivers a cooling burst of moisture that lasts up to 26 hours. I do remember like the cooling effect, and it does moisturize because I started using this because the ColourPop concealer was like making me look really dry up under there because I just have like normal skin. I don't like focus. I wasn't focusing any type of moisturizer up there by my eyes because my eyes could be sensitive. So that's when I started using one of these because my eyes were so sensitive, and it was just like, okay, when in the morning and at night before moisturizer. I just always use that at night. I never used it during the day. And use your ring finger to lightly tap a bead-sized amount onto the under eye under the lid, but you can go over here. That's fine. And this is Belief combines 19th century apothecary with the Korean skincare science used only purest ingredients to create hydration first formulation. This is a small amount, but it lasted me like almost 2 months. So yeah, it'll last. You don't need a lot of that. Next thing I'm going to pull out is this is from Herborian, Korean skincare therapy CC cream, high definition radiance cream. Zinc oxide, that's your sunscreen. Titanium dioxide, yeah, it has 25 SPF. Helps prevent sunburn. Okay. When in the morning, before or instead of makeup, use your fingers to create a thin layer over clean, dry skin. A shared love of beauty brought Korean scientist Ho Jung Lee and French globetrotter Catalin Berigny together to create Herborian, the perfect mix of traditional Korean ingredients and Parisian luxury, a color-correcting face cream that blurs fine lines, matches an even skin tone, and protects skin from UV rays. It has all this like limit your time in the sun. KB skincare routines are known for being robust. A 10-step routine is standard, but multitasking products like CC correcting color creams are trending, making routines simpler without missing out on any of the goodness. Okay, 0.17 ounce. So we're gonna see what color it comes out and what. Okay, it comes out like white, like off white. So we're just gonna Okay. It changed color. It's almost a little warmer than my skin. Look a little bit more peachy. Cool. Cool. I'm interested in that. I haven't really been using sunscreen because I ran out of my moisturizer that had a sunscreen in it. And so, oh well. Next thing we have is from Saturday Skin, Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. This is at night after cleansing 1 or 2 times a week. Apply to clean dry skin using circular motions for 1 minute and rinse. All Saturday Skin feature an exclusive peptide formula called the CHA 7S complex, which supports skin regeneration process, leaving your skin feeling like every day is Saturday. This is a gel pill that uses natural papaya enzymes to gently sweep away impurities, leaving skin looking smooth and bright. It says dullness is the arch enemy of K-beauty. So sloughing away dead skin cells to reveal a brighter complexion is a mandatory weekly step. The papaya enzymes in this pill help break down skin's keratin protein, resulting in a smoother, glowier surface. Cleanse and then pat dry your face. Gently apply to the face and rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean with lukewarm water. May be used once or twice a week. So that's interesting. Next, I'm excited about this because I've heard of this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And I love my sleeping mask. Y'all know. This is last step before sleep. Smooth and even thin layer over clean, dry skin and let dry before bed. BFS Sarah Lee and Christine Chang set out to bring the beauty secrets of Korea to the rest of the world with a playful, innovative, and ingredient-focused approach to skincare. This is a delicious smelling pink gel mask that works as you sleep to brighten, smooth, and hydrate without transferring to your pillow. Basically, they say sleeping mask, but the ones that I've experienced and the ones I've used, like overnights and stuff, are like any of them. I've had the Etude Beauty, not Etude, but Estee Edit. I've had Origins. I've had, I think, Laneige. It's basically just a moisturizer. It's a gelish moisturizer, but it just seems to really hydrate, but it seeps into your skin, so it's not like you're wearing a mask to bed. Why settle for a 5-minute mask when you can let the benefits soak in for a full 8 hours while you're sleeping? Your skin finally has a chance to repair itself, and this breathable pill-proof mask helps it do just that with a unique blend of AHAs and hyaluronic acid. And I have a feeling it's going to smell delicious. Oh, it's like sealed. Okay, it has that. Okay. Like almost clear. It's like fitted. Dang. It's like fitted and clear. It's funny. Oh, this smells so good. But it's like, this is like a really drippy one. Most of them aren't as drippy. They're more like a cream. Oh, but it smells so good. Okay. I'm excited to use it. I actually think it was good and worth it because, you know, a couple of these products I have are at least a belief I know, and the rest I have at least heard good things about. And K-Beauty is the freaking way to go. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!